We hit 1,000 subscribers! I want to thank all you guys for all the support so far. You know, I hit 1,000 subscribers. Doesn't seem like a lot to some of you, but to me, that's a huge milestone. No, I was at 900 last Friday, and somehow in a week, I got another 100. Last night alone, I got 20 something. You know, it's just an awesome feeling, man. I want to thank you all for all the support. And to celebrate hitting 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be releasing it on my Instagram. So check out @CJBuilt_ for the giveaway that's going to be coming out. And in the next video, I'll probably give out more information on what's going on. I'll break down the giveaway that I'll have on the flyer, like, into more detail. But today, we're going to be putting the HKS high power on the Altezza as a way of, you know, celebrating the 1,000 subs. I was going to wait until next week, but, you know, let's do it now. So the Canon is in the car. We're going to go pick up Jose, because Jose has always been my exhaust buddy. He goes with me every time I do my exhaust. So we're going to go get Jose, and then we're going to get this exhaust done. This is the last time it's going to sound anything remotely close to this. It has a little rumble. It's gonna have a lot more rumble in a little bit. We are now at Casa de Jose, waiting for him to come outside. Then we're gonna head straight to Miami Muffler, get that muffler put on, and then we're gonna do some sound tests. Many sound tests. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And he's got the waters. This boy always hooking it up with the waters. Every time I go on a trip with this guy to do something, he's always got the waters with him, always hooking it up. Look, I still have his last water here from the other day when we actually picked up the exhaust. You got the waters?
Obviously.
Always got to hook it up with the water. Look, look, look. Look at my cup holder. Look what's still there.
This is the one from like...
We're out here at the muffler shop waiting to get lifted up. Peep that IS 300 though. She's ready. That's nice.
Loud ass BMW.
Yeah, dude, that thing's beautiful though. It's coming together. The exhaust is on. Haven't turned it on yet. It's a little angled down, so I'm gonna ask him to see if maybe he can angle it straight. But this is how it looks, roughly. It's a Canon. Like I told you guys, I promise you guys a Canon. But you see, you can tell like it's a little bit angled down. So I'm gonna go talk to him, see what we can do.
What's your
there you go.
Yeah, right? Bro, that thing is loud. Yo, but I like an idle. It's not like as screeching as.
Yo, this thing is loud, bro.
Focus. Alright, there you go. How you feeling? How you feeling?
Yo, it's loud, but like it's not like bad. Like it's loud, but it doesn't sound. Well, hopefully when we're driving, it doesn't sound like a Honda. Like right now, it sounds like
it has like a. It has more of a Subi tone.
Yeah, it has like a Subi tone. Yo, it literally sounds like a Subaru. You hear the backfires? We're spitting flames, boy!
Hell yeah.
We're gonna start spitting flames. It's backfiring too.
Yeah, it is.
She's gonna be spitting flames. See if we can get the backfire.
Oh.
She's backfiring. Oh! That one sounded good. Ooh! Oh boy! Oh, right in front of a cop. Hello, officer. Hi, how you doing? You want to run it? She don't want it. shit!
Wow.
He can't hear you. He's scraping too much.
Oh.
Sounding good. She's sounding good. Let's see if it drones. Alright, we dropped it into 6th. She on stock exhaust! 6th gear, you don't hear anything. Yo, Jose, can you hear me talking right now? Yo, I'm gonna whisper. Can you hear me?
I can actually
hear me. I can actually hear you. You can hear me. I actually can. But then, now the car is saying, can you hear me? But dude, with the windows up, it's pretty quiet.
Yeah, but you can still hear it.
You can hear it, but like, it's not a nuisance.
Exactly.
Like, even like, okay, say I put it in 4th, 4500. You can hear me and I can hear you fine.
True.
The banana was like, it would be piercing your ears.
That's true.
We're good, bro. I thought it was gonna be a lot louder in the car.
Needs more loud. No.
Bruh.
Bet.
Can I lower the window?
Bet.
Yo, you lower the window and it's so much louder. Lower the window, it gets so much louder. So okay, you know, I'm cruising, want to be a nuisance. Bro, I gotta take a phone call. Hey, what's up, man? No, I'm not driving. I'm at home. I'm watching TV. Nah, yeah, I'm home. You see, he doesn't even know I'm driving because it's so quiet right now. All right, guys, we just found a tunnel. We gotta make a song of our people. Ooh, it sounds so good, bro. I see you, Jonathan. I see you.
If it wants to focus.
There he goes.
Go for it. Jeez, that thing is loud. There he goes. So how do I get home? Cody? Hello? Ooh! Ooh! Okay. Sounds dope, bro. Look at the side of that tip.
That's what she said.
Like one.
But was it a flame?
I couldn't really tell.
It was like loud though.
It was really loud.
I like it. So yeah, guys, I lied. I actually just put a boxer motor in this car. Clickbait title, I'm sorry, but I had to do it. Alright guys, so I just got home from dropping off Jose because it looks like it's about to rain. And man, this car, dude, it's really loud, but it's not bad. Like, we're on the highway, you can't hear it that much if you're in 6th gear. You have the windows up, it's really not that loud. Like, you can hold a conversation fine. Like, I mean, I'm used to the banana, so the banana was like crazy loud, so this is nothing to me. And then the idle, oh my god, listen to this idle. It's shaking a little bit, so I might hop under there later today or tomorrow and see if the hangers are a little loose. But other than that, man, it sounds wicked. I'm gonna give it a little love tap before my neighbors kill me. man, I'm happy. I'm happy. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate the 1,000 subs. Did not think I was gonna hit it this soon. The milestone for me was like by Christmas to be at 1,000. But you know what? I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all you guys' support. You know, for 1,000 subs, I went ahead and just dished out the money. Just went ahead and put the exhaust on. Stay tuned on the Instagram because I'm gonna be doing the giveaway soon. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you in the next video.
Riding in the third with the all black tent. Smoke one hoe, get high with a pimp. Keep the front door, bitch, better bust down. Sipping no dip while we break down the lap. Just know one thing out.